Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so what are we going to be talking about right now? We are going to be talking about the stylish points of HTML. Now, what this means is that you've probably seen that all of the text here, for example, the headers, the tables, they all don't look that good. Like, they get the point across. You can have a pretty good website with just text and information, but at the end of the day, it just doesn't look good. Okay? And so what we're going to be talking about in the next one are style. So basically, anytime that you have, a bigger tag such as H1 or a header or a paragraph, you can actually put the style of this in there. And we talked a little bit about this when it came to div tags, but basically what we're going to be doing here is I'm going to show you how the style works with HTML. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.